أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today inshallah we'll learn ayah number 12 of Surah Ar-Rahman. والحب ذو العصف والريحان والحب ذو العصف والريحان. والحب, waw is connected to lam, hamzatul wasl is not read. Walhabbu, ha pronounced very sharply from middle part of our throat. Walhabbu dhul asfi, letter dal is connected to the letter lam. Waw and hamzatul wasl is not pronounced. Dhul asfi, ain clear from middle part of our throat. It should not be pronounced like hamza from bottom part of our throat. It should not sound asfi. It should sound asfi. Okay, letter sad is a heavy letter. Pronounce it heavily. Dhul asfi war rayhan. Wow connected to ra of word ar-rayhan. Hamzatul wasl and lam shamsiya is not pronounced. War rayhan. Ra with fatha is always pronounced heavily. It is not war rayhan. It is war rayhan. Ra. War rayhan. Ha is pronounced very sharply from middle part of our throat, and it can be stretched for either 2 or 4 or 6 count according to madul arid lisukun. والحب ذو العصف والريحان والحب ذو العصف والريحان. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.